Ahead of the next phase of Unlocking India, the centre is expected to release guidelines for the phase 4 of Unlock India anytime this week. But there are 4 areas in which the centre has still not clarified, that is educational institutions, transportations, theatres, and in some places even gymnasiums. Now, how are cities coping up? Are they prepared for these subjects to come under the next phase of Unlock India? Let's take a look now at various cities. Theatres in Bengaluru are expecting to reopen in the next phase of unlocking. In fact, they're hoping that the centre does initiate that process of reopening theatres which have been shut for almost 5 months now. From adequate spacing to e-tickets and digital food menus, multiplexes say they have all precautions in place. We spoke to the regional director of one such multiplex in Bengaluru, who took us through the protocols that they'll follow if and when theatres open. Listen in.
There will be absolutely no paper ticket at any of our cinemas. In fact, your phone will be your box office. On making a booking or buying a ticket, guests will receive a newly designed, fully loaded SMS, which will enable the guest to have a completely paperless, contactless, and digitally seamless cinema experience.
Meanwhile, the Karnataka government didn't say much about reopening multiplexes in the next phase, but did welcome theatre owners to come forward with solutions and precautions which would be followed once they reopen.
Many of the public spaces like cinema theatre, restaurants, metro, where it's been a closed space, we need to design and redesign some of the aspects to ensure that negative pressure is created and environmental less sterilized and germicidal, and what there are a lot of technology available. We can address this concern. Probably now the time has come to allow many things. We are looking forward when they'll permit, and at the same time we need to ensure these places will be the safe place and there should not be any aerosol and closed spaces. There are challenges, but there is solution also.
Well, and while gyms have reopened in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat, they continue to remain shut in the national capital. Around 5,500 gyms are locked and the owners are requesting the Delhi government to allow them to reopen. They've already made arrangements and have precautions in place, right from a booking slot to regular sanitization. Mirror Now's Alok spoke to a few gym owners in Delhi to know how they're gearing up for the next phase of Unlock India. Take a look.
People have to come the slot basis. They have to book their slots one day before. And in terms of sanitization, you can see we have in every corner we have sanitization, and we have sanitization machine also that you can see.
Okay. And apart from that, it will be there any kind of registration, and how much people will be allowed at one time?
See, for example, I have a gym of about 2,300 square feet. Roughly, we will be able to accommodate about 15 to 18 people in this area. We have another area where we'll be able to accommodate another 4 or 5 people. So not more than 25, 30 people will be allowed in an area spread across 3,500 to 4,000 square feet.
For past 5 months, Delhi gyms are facing the lockdown, but Unlock 4.0, now they are hoping that they will be allowed to resume their activities. Delhi gym owners are saying that they are now all ready and they are all now set to open the gyms with all the precautionary measures. In fact, I am standing in one of the gyms in South Delhi's Malvi Nagar area. I am just trying to show you that what will be happening once the gym is open. In fact, here you can see this is the machine, and one machine will be used, the other will not be used. There will be the difference. So now they are saying they are trying to maintain the social distancing of around 6 feet distance, and in fact at one time there will be the limited number of people will be seen doing the exercise in the gyms. If this gym was allowing around 250 people at one time, now it will be allowed around 25 to 30 people at one time. So this kind of difference will happen, but definitely they have to ensure the social distancing, they have to ensure all the norms which are stated by the central government. As of now, they are very much hopeful that the government will allow them to resume their activities in Unlock 4.0.